Hi guys, welcome to Merging Spreadsheets with Python Part 1. In this part, we will be appending spreadsheets. Appending is when you have multiple spreadsheets with the same column names and you need to combine them into one file. In Part 2, we will go over joining spreadsheets, which is a horizontal merge, so stay tuned for that. Now, there are a few things that you need to know before this tutorial: how to read Excel files in Python, how to write Excel files in Python, and finally, how to run Python scripts from your computer. If you don't know these things, check out our video on reading and writing spreadsheets in Python. Now, first we download all three of our demo files and save them in a folder called append. You can download these files from the link in the descriptions. Then we create a Python file called append.py and we save it in our append folder. So that's our setup. Now we're going to start writing our code. So for this tutorial, we're going to be using a Python library called pandas, which is very popular for data tasks. So we're going to import it as PD, and PD is the abbreviation and convention, but you can just use pandas if you want. So to start off with, we're going to read all the three files that we just downloaded. Again, if you're unsure, you can check out our video on reading and writing spreadsheets. So I'm going to make a variable marketing analyst names, and we're going to read in the Excel file marketing analyst names.xlsx, and this will create a Python pandas data frame. I'm going to read the other two files as well, so now I have these three data frames. Next, we're going to make a list of all the data frames called all_df_list, and the order that we specify of the data frames here is the order the rows will appear in the final merge file. Now we're going to make a data frame appended df, and this is going to create our merge data frame. So we're going to call a function concat from pandas on the list that we created, all_df_list, and this function automatically merges all the rows based on the column names that are present. So if the column names are a little different, it will create a separate column. So make sure those names are the same. Finally, we output this data frame to an Excel file, allcompanynames.xlsx. Index false because we don't want the row numbers to appear. And that's it. That's our script to merge three spreadsheets in Python. So one more time, we're going to go over it. After we have read in all the three files as pandas data frames, we create a list, also known as an array, of all the three data frames in the order that we want our final merge spreadsheets to appear. Then we call the concat function, and this does the merge automatically based on column names. Finally, we output this to a Excel file, and that's it. So let's run this script. We run it python append.py, enter, and there you go. Nothing happened. That means it worked. And in our folder, we see that there's now a file called all company names. Let's check that everything worked. So we look at each file. There's three rows in every file. Cool. And let's check it out. In our final file, we have all 9 names, addresses, and emails in our final file. Cool, done. Congratulations, guys. And if you ever want to merge spreadsheets a little easier, you can check out our website, mergespreadsheets.com. Thanks, and hope you keep loving spreadsheets. Bye-bye.